Hello, my name is Mariah, Clinic Manager here at Rivertown Eye Care. I'm here to talk to you a little bit about coming to Rivertown Eye Care for your eye exam. The first thing that you will need to do is call us to schedule your appointment. Our number here is 651-437-5469. When you call, make sure that you are prepared with your vision and or health insurance plans. It's always a good idea to reach out to your insurance provider directly to verify your specific benefits. When you come in for your appointment, you're more than welcome to bring a spouse or your children. People can wait in our waiting area or they can come into the room with you. When you arrive for your exam, make sure that you come prepared with your ID and your insurance cards. If you are a contact lens wearer, make sure to wear your contacts into your appointment and bring your frames with you. If you are currently taking any medications, it's also very helpful if you can bring a list of those medications to your appointment. If dilation is going to be a part of your exam, it's a good idea to bring a dark pair of sunglasses with for your drive home, as your eyes will be a bit more sensitive to light. If you don't have a pair of sunglasses, we have some disposable ones that we can send with you. If you are interested in refreshing your eyewear style, we can schedule you with one of our talented certified opticians to help you find the perfect frame to suit your vision and lifestyle needs. We look forward to seeing you.